If you want to start dropshipping on TikTok and make your first $1,000 or more, pay close attention to this video because I'm about to show you how to find winning products and create viral TikToks around those products to start generating sales. So many dropshippers are using this exact strategy to make 10, 20, even 100K a month without spending a penny on ads. And it's still early enough for you to jump on this trend and get these same results yourself. All it takes is a little hard work and you'll have a successful dropshipping store in no time if you follow these exact steps. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new. My name's Alex, let's get right into it. All right, I'm about to show you guys how to start your own TikTok dropshipping business and make your first $1,000 in sales. We'll start with product research or how to find a winning product to sell on TikTok. Then we'll go over my viral TikTok formula and how to make sure every video you post goes viral. Then we'll go over some real examples and case studies of stores already doing this. And then we'll go over some product page must-haves or everything you need to include on your own product pages when you go to sell these products yourself. Last but not least, we'll talk about what to do next and how to scale your brand after you make your first $1,000. When you're ready, let's get right into it. All right, starting with product research and finding a winning product to sell on TikTok, it should match at least 2 or 3 of these product criteria. Number 1, you want your products to solve a problem or a customer pain point. Number 2, it has to be unique and not sold in stores. Number 3, you want it to have that wow factor and be attention grabbing so that you can create scroll stopping content around that product. Number 4, you want your product to be evergreen and sold all year round. Unlike seasonal products or trendy products, it's always great to keep up with trends, but you want to make sure it's long lasting and won't fade out in time. Number 5, you want it to have high perceived value. This gives you really good profit margins. Number 6, low competition. You don't want to sell saturated products. Number 7, a product that you would probably buy yourself or know somebody that would purchase this product. You don't want to sell products that nobody's going to buy. Number 8, you want it to be lightweight. This is for low shipping cost and fast shipping time. Now that you guys know what to look for in a winning product and how to identify products that are going to sell on TikTok, let's talk about how to actually find those winning products. Number 1, you guys can start with an ad spy tool like my Nia. This scans all the top ad platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest, and it delivers the best performing ads right to you so that you can see what's working for other dropshippers. Number 2, you guys can scroll on TikTok using hashtags like TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds, TikTok shop finds, and it will show you the best performing videos and which products are currently selling for other brands. Just like number 2, we can take a look at TikTok shops. This will actually show you the amount of sales each product is getting, the reviews, what the competition looks like, and everything to do with each one of these winning products. And last but not least, we have the TikTok Creative Center. This is just like the Facebook ads library if you've ever used that before, but it showcases the top performing ads, the top performing products, and the best niches to sell in. Now let's talk about my viral TikTok formula and how to make your first few sales by posting on your brand's TikTok account. You guys want to create viral videos to sell your products by using these 6 guidelines. Number 1, you want your videos to have a strong hook. You need to capture your viewers' attention in the first 3 seconds or they're going to scroll to the next video. Number 2, you guys want to create engaging content. You need strong visuals, user experience in your video, otherwise known as UGC or user-generated content, fast-paced content. You guys want to be switching scenes every 3 seconds or less. Number 3, you guys need good lighting. You need high-quality videos and really good editing. Number 4, you guys want to use current trending sounds on TikTok. Choosing the right TikTok sounds will help your videos gain traction, end up on the For You page, and go viral in your niche. Number 5, you guys want to keep testing. Test. Post at least 2 to 5 videos a day. 3 is the sweet spot, 90 videos a month, and you'll improve with each one you make. The more you post, the better chances you have of going viral and making a ton of sales in the process. And number 6, you guys need to niche down. You guys need to speak to a specific target audience or a segment of people. Otherwise, you'll go viral in the wrong niche and make no sales. So for example, if you guys go viral with a bunch of middle schoolers and high schoolers who don't have money to buy your winning products, you're not gonna make any sales from them. Now let's go over some real examples of TikTok brands selling their products through viral videos. You've probably seen many of these in the past. See if you can identify pieces of our viral TikTok formula because all of these brands are using those. Number 1, we have the noodle pot that generated 17 million views with this video alone. You guys can see why right here. Number 2, we have the mini printer. This video generated 15 million views for this product, and it's doing a great job selling it. You can see why in this video. Next up, we have this mini steering wheel for your gaming controller. This one actually generated over 31 million views. You guys can see right here, it's one of those prototype versus final product videos. Those always perform well. They have a strong hook, engaging content, and drive a lot of engagement through their comments, likes, and everything else. Next up, we have this weighted bracelet. This one actually generated 24 million views. It's another prototype versus final product video that always performs well. And this one actually creates a little bit of controversy because you can see his foot on the scale at the end of that video. Next up, we have the LED basketball. This one generated 20 million views. Same exact idea as the other two videos we just went over, the prototype versus the final product. They always perform well. You guys can easily recreate some of this content yourselves. Now let's go over some product page must-haves. These are everything you need to include on your store's product pages if you want to sell your products on TikTok. Once we go over these, we'll go over some real examples from the videos we just looked at. Number 1, you guys need high quality images and visuals throughout your product page. Number 2, you guys want GIFs and videos of your product in use to show how it works, show other happy customers, and everything similar. Number 3, you guys want strong offers and competitive pricing. You guys can't sell the same product on TikTok as so many other brands and have it priced way higher than them unless you increase your perceived value through your offers. Number 4, you guys need good copywriting and good storytelling. You guys can use ChatGPT to generate all of your descriptions, make a little bit of tweaks, put them on your product pages, and they will do a great job selling your product. Number 5, you guys want to highlight the important benefits. What's in it for your customer? They don't care about little specifications and points you've taken off of AliExpress that has nothing to do with them. What do they get out of buying this product? They only care about themselves. Number 6, this is a bonus item. You guys can include an as seen on TikTok sticker if you plan on selling your products primarily through TikTok. This does a great job of increasing conversions. I've tested stores with this sticker and without, and it always increases sales by using this sticker on one of my product pages or somewhere in my description. Now let's go over some product pages for the products we just looked at on TikTok a moment ago. All right, first up we have that mini steering wheel from the One Product store. Mini Steer. You guys can see they did a great job building this branded store and their product page around this one product. You guys can see at the top they have a currency converter so they can sell to multiple countries around the world. You guys select which country you're from and which currency you want to pay with. They have their product up here at the top. They have an About Us page, a contact page, and an area to track your order. You guys can see they did a great job on their product page. They have high quality visuals. They include more information about their winning product. They show customers using their product. Here's the product right here to purchase. They have different variants. You guys can choose the color, the wheel type, and the console. They make it super easy to purchase, and they do a great job just building a visually appealing product page. They have their FAQs at the bottom. They don't have any reviews. I would definitely include some reviews on your own product pages for social proof. This definitely helps increase conversions, but they're obviously doing a great job selling this product on TikTok. Next up, we have our LED basketball from Flash Hoops. Once again, a very good product page built around this one product store. They have their currency converter at the top. They have their offer at the top, early release 20% off. They have their product page, track your order, contact us. They have a really good logo. They have really good colors throughout their website to help with the branding. You guys can see their high quality images right here. They have it on sale, $60 marked down from $74. They have some reviews that we'll look at in just a moment, but look how they structured their product page. It's really good. So they have some high quality GIFs of their product in use with more information about their product. It looks really good the way they divided everything. Overall, this is a really good product page, and you can tell that it's selling this product very well for them on TikTok. Here's all the reviews down here. I would definitely create something similar to this when you go to sell your own products. Next up, we have another branded one product store. This is the Lazy Noodle Pot. This is one of the best performing products on TikTok, and it has been for a while. They're doing a great job selling this product. So you guys can see they have high quality images on their product page. They have their as seen on TikTok badge right there. If you guys scroll through these, you guys can see all the different images that they're using for their products. They're selling it for $39.97, 50% off, marked down from $78.97. They have some bullet points up here. You guys can choose your plug type for the different variants. They have trust badges right here, fast shipping worldwide, safe and secure checkout. 30-day money-back guarantee, some questions and answers or an FAQ section, and look at these high-quality images that they use throughout their product page. They have GIFs of their actual TikToks that they use to sell this product. Customers love to see that. It's the exact same thing that is displayed on their own TikTok page. They have some more features and benefits and what's in it for the customers. They have some happy reviews down here and an FAQ section and 616 imported reviews, all 4 and 5 star ratings. They do a great job selling this product and justifying that pricing point. Now let's talk about what to do next. Once you have a few viral videos, you start generating sales and you have some money in your pocket to scale your brand. You guys can start by running Spark ads on your best performing TikTok content. This is TikTok paid ads. You can run ads directly to the videos that you're posting on your own account and continue scaling through the TikTok ads platform. You guys can also set up TikTok shops for your product. You guys want to link your account and keep posting content as well as working with influencers to promote your products, and you guys can scale your brand massively on TikTok shops. Some bonus tips. You guys can outsource content if you're not good at video editing and don't have a ton of time. There's agencies that will create viral videos directly for you. You just pay for an ad package, you send them your product, and they'll send you, however many videos you order. One that I currently work with is Viral Ecom Ads. They've done a great job creating all of my own TikTok ads, and I highly recommend them. But also keep in mind that if you guys want to sell on TikTok shops, you need suppliers with fast shipping. You guys need to send your products out within 3 days of receiving an order, or else your TikTok account will be in bad standing. You guys can do this by working with suppliers like CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, or private suppliers and third-party logistics services. I have a ton of videos on this channel explaining all of that in case you're interested. By following these exact steps, you'll be able to make your first $1,000 with TikTok organic. Keep in mind, dropshipping is simple, but it's not easy. It takes a lot of hard work to be successful, but it's all worth it. If this video helped you in any way, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. I have a free course and Discord group linked down below that can definitely help you get started. Don't miss out on that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.